In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmerge cells in Excel. If you're working in a spreadsheet and notice that some cells have been merged together, unmerging them is quick and simple once you know where to look. This is especially helpful if you want to sort data, format cells more precisely, or return your worksheet to a more standard layout. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where the merged cells are located. Make sure you're on the correct sheet before making any changes, especially if your workbook contains multiple tabs with similar looking data. Next, click on the merged cell that you want to unmerge. If you're not sure whether a cell is merged, one common sign is that a value appears centered across multiple columns or rows, even though it looks like a single larger cell. Selecting it first is important because Excel needs to know exactly which merged area you want to modify. Once the merged cell is selected, move to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains many of the most commonly used formatting tools, including the controls for merging and unmerging cells. From there, look for the alignment group. In that section, you'll find the Merge and Center button. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it rather than clicking the main button itself. The drop-down menu gives you additional options, and this is where you'll find the command you need. Now select Unmerge cells from the menu. As soon as you click it, Excel will separate that merged area back into individual cells. That's it. The cells are now unmerged. One thing to keep in mind is that when Excel unmerges cells, the content usually remains in the upper left cell of the original merged range, while the other cells become blank. So if you plan to reorganize your data afterward, it's a good idea to quickly check the results and make sure everything still appears the way you want. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other merged cells in your worksheet. Just select the merged cell, go to the Home tab, open the Merge and Center dropdown, and choose Unmerge Cells. It's a very simple tool, but knowing how to use it can make your spreadsheets easier to edit, sort, and manage.